Okay, so let's get into this. We've got the floorboards already, but of course we have to do the roof. So that is requiring a lot of these brackets and stuff like that are all going to be removed. I'm going to cut off some of the other junk that I'm not going to need. Worst comes worst, we'll probably leave it and just kind of wing it, and worst comes worst, we'll cut it off later. Get the steering column out. I cannot figure out how to get the e-brake stuff out, so we'll tape it and like hang it up vertical. No big deal. Let's just jump into it, see what we can accomplish. I'm sure we'll get the inside painted, but let's just jump into it, see what needs to be taken out, what needs to be sanded, blah, 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 blah. Well, this sucks. I did all this work and I don't have enough tape, not even close, to tape everything. I'm always forgetting something. Always forgetting something. Don't have enough tape, so I have plenty of this, but I don't have the tape. And I don't want a bunch of blow off back across the trunk and everything else. So I'll have to wait till I can go to the store tomorrow and buy a bunch of rolls of tape. Because I also don't want a whole bunch blowing back into the trunk. Oh no, I think I do have tape. Hold on, cross that. I'm looking into the trunk and I see a roll of tape. Let me go. Ooh. This should be enough. So scratch that, let's tape it. Woohoo! Man, these bugs are horrible. This is all new. These weren't out here like 2 nights ago. It's horrible. Only got about 30 of them in the paint. There's you have it. You can see it's done. It's kind of starting to look like a car a little bit. Just a little bit. And it's given me, seeing it all in one color palette, it's given me some really cool ideas. But of course, cage has to go in first. And that's why this isn't made to be perfect. There's some pot clips I missed that I painted over. There's some other stuff that it's going to be not necessarily, probably not even filled in. You won't see it. But it's allowed me to kind of get an idea of how to build this firewall here. And I think the idea behind it, I think we'll cut out, we'll fill in like some of the holes. But we'll cut out this center section and just weld in a new section. And the same goes for here. The front part right here. And of course the bars have to go through it and then when the bar goes through it, I'll take 2 pieces of metal and stick around it and then weld all that together, because I don't really know how segregated it needs to be, but you gotta think it's a roll cage, is fully welded in, it's never gonna come out. So it really doesn't matter. But I think that would be really cool and slick, because obviously we can't have the speakers here, because who wants rear speakers anyways? But it's good, it's done, it's not 100%, it's not perfect. It was never meant to be. A lot of the brackets, the paint's gonna be ground off for roll cage and who knows what else. Oh, and the tabs and all kinds of other crap that we're putting in here to actually mount, losing my train of thought, mount the interior pieces. So it'll get another coat of paint after that, and well, it'll get another coat of like sealer, and then it'll actually get paint. This isn't fully painted. It will be painted, because parts of this, like this leading edge right here and stuff like that, will probably be visible. Probably. We were thinking about doing some really cool interior, or the way I think, like factory looking interior, but we might kind of put a little drop of race inspired into it a little bit more, just to kind of give it a little bit more uniqueness, I guess you could say. I don't know. It's one of those things, we'll start mocking stuff up, who knows when, for the interior, who knows when. As for now, it's done. We can finally have a short episode to finish it, but still, it's done. We're going to move on to something really fun, because we're kind of moving around the back half of the car. Don't forget the giveaway, the 1K giveaway. We're getting, what, we're a little over 60% through, so we're doing good. Thanks. Like, we really are. We're getting there. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one, because the next one's going to kind of suck.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.